This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. In this video, I want to take a look at two price levels. One is a bearish price level here, where we see that the stock took a drop. And again, this is a long-term monthly chart. I like to use the monthly charts because they tend to be a little bit slower, and we can study charts from a long-term perspective and then use the same principles on a smaller time frame. So here we can see a reversal lower, and then we can see there's an area here which we can say was bullish, because once we cleared this area in price, we can see prices went higher. So what is the relationship between those two levels? Well, there's a line that connects the two, and let me share with you that line. But before we do that, I want to show you from a closer view this area here on the chart. Again, this is a monthly chart going from 1990 to 2019. So take a look at this area here in early 2013. It looks like a little blip, and I'll show you how relevant it is in explaining the two price levels. So here's the same area. I've just zoomed in. This area here, this little blip, is what we saw on the long-term monthly view. So I'll go back to the chart. So the levels again here, and then the other level here, which was a breakout. Draw another area here, which was a movement off the highs there. All of those three levels have a relationship, simple one, where we can see a break of the RSI, which coincided with coming off these highs. We take that line, draw our uniformity resistance line. Should be like that. We can see how it rejected prices during the highs there. And then notice how it broke out for this entry here. So the blue line acted as resistance off the highs there, turned into a breakout level once it was cleared. In other words, the same level, once the RSI was cleared, became a good entry on the way to a fantastic run, as was recorded by the stock. The moral of the story is always be on the lookout for areas that were problematic, because if a stock, a commodity, a crypto is to move higher, it needs to clear areas of previous resistance. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS.